Hey y'all, what's up? So I want to show y'all how I install my crochet hair. This hair is from wiggit.co.uk. So the hair already comes pre-separated, you guys. I'm just twisting it to make my own little loops towards the back, and I just install it just like so. So now we're up at the front here, y'all. It's very important for you to split these pieces into tinier sections here, okay? You're going to go ahead, twist it, create your knot, pull it through, pull it back through, and then you're going to split the hair and it creates its own little knot, y'all. And as you can see, it looks very seamless. I'm going to do it again. Go ahead and twist it, right, pull it through, split the hair and pull it through, and you have these knotted knots. So the smaller you do the pieces, the more natural it looks. Here is our final result, you guys. Super cute. Y'all be sure to check out the hair details below.